Managing your own rental property in Florida requires legal knowledge and effort, especially when dealing with lease violations. In today's video, we'll discuss 6 common lease violations and how to handle them effectively. Tenant signs the lease but doesn't move in. If a tenant fails to move in, check your lease terms. Many agreements address non-possession, allowing you to collect rent until a new tenant is found. Follow local laws and document every step. Tenant stops paying rent and communicating act quickly by sending formal notices as required by law. If there's no response, consider starting the eviction process. Keep detailed records and stay professional. Unauthorized subletting. If your lease forbids subletting, enforce that rule. If allowed, screen subtenants carefully. Unauthorized subletting can cause liability and property damage issues. Smoking, vaping, and marijuana. Used while vaping and marijuana may not leave residue like cigarettes, they can cause odors and HVAC damage. Be clear in your lease about what's prohibited and conduct regular inspections. Handling lease breaks. Check your lease for penalties like deposit forfeiture or continued rent payments. Consider legal action if needed, or negotiate a mutual termination agreement to avoid disputes. Long-term guests becoming unauthorized tenants. Define guest limits in your lease. If a guest stays too long, notify the tenant in writing. Extra occupants increase wear and tear and pose liability risks.